India achieves a historical glory with the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 on the moon, marking a significant milestone in the space exploration. As Chandrayaan 3 landed on the moon's south pole, it propelled our country to become a first nation to land on the moon's uncharted surface, and the credit for this massive success goes to the brilliant scientists of ISRO. Now the whole world is rejoicing as India has proven its worthiness, but that's not all of it. Time and again, India has proven itself in becoming a progenitor of some of the most brilliant minds across the globe, ranging from tech geeks to politicians to scientists, and the list just goes on. So what is the actual reason as to why geniuses are born in India, and what is the secret behind the intelligent scientists of ISRO? So now I am going to reveal the secret which is going to blow your mind away. So there are two strong reasons for the great intellectual power of our country and the reason why gems are born on this land. So the first reason is something which takes us back to its roots, which is in the childhood. Childhood is the time when the foundation and the shaping of the intelligence takes place. And one of the most important elements for proper physical, mental and intellectual development is correct nutrition. So for the first 6 months, the boon which is considered to be the most precious nectar given by God to a child is none other than mother's milk. Now you must be thinking like, what is the connection between mother's milk and intelligence? It has a very deep connection. Breast milk is loaded with nutrients which help in the formation of brain by enhancing the formation of sulci and gyri. As per a survey done in India, more than 60% of infants are exclusively breastfed. Numerous researchers have proven that the children who are breastfed for at least 1.5 years have a very strong neurodevelopment, leading to increased cognition and raised IQ. So to all the new moms out there, make sure to breastfeed your child as much as possible. If you have any troubles faced during your breastfeeding journey, make sure to take the help of a consultant in order to make your journey smoother and easier. The second reason as to why gems are born in India is none other than our rich culture and spirituality. So you all might be knowing that spirituality is deeply rooted in our Indian culture, and although Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2 did not succeed, our intelligent scientists did not give up. They kept on trying harder with each passing day, and their perseverance very soon paid off, and on 23 August 2023, history was created. So as it is correctly said in Bhagavad Gita, based on the principle of karma, that one should not focus on the end result, but one should only be completely focused on the efforts in order to completely succeed. Now the kids of today are the future of tomorrow. So make sure that right from their childhood, the children imbibe a strong spiritual values and also ensure their correct physical and mental development through the right nutrition. And because of this, I believe a stronger foundation can be laid for a better future of our country. Salute to all the geniuses of India, and a bigger salute to their parents, especially their mothers, who are the real secret behind their genius capabilities. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Sir, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon. Sir,
Namrajit Children Hospital, Ahmedabad salutes all the brilliant scientists of ISRO. We would like to wish them success in upcoming space missions. May they rise higher and higher as sky is no longer the limit. Jai Hind.